Although we had great fun on the plane on the way home too. Do you remember? Fran Fields was the president, and he was so proud of what happened. And he got up on the front of the plane as we were about to land, and he said, "This is the proudest day of my life." He said, "I'm going to meet the great Charles Haughey. He's going to meet us at the steps." And he put his jacket on, and Aldo just ripped the pockets out of the jacket. And somebody else ripped his shirt. Do you remember somebody else ripped his shirt, and the door opens, and he was going, "You lot, you'll never play for Ireland again."
We look like Vegas Rovers. You've never, like a Sunday league football team. We celebrated that much. It was ridiculous.
We were like giddy at the start, and it was our first World Cup. It was our fans' first World Cup, and we were all just delighted to be there. But by the time we'd come through the penalties against Romania, this is where there was a shift there. We almost thought we were going to win it at that stage, Pat, you know? Yeah. The journey looked as if it was going to go on, and obviously it didn't happen for us against Italy. That total Scalacci came along and scored.
Jack promised us, Mick Byrne, if we got to the quarter-finals, he'd get us to see the Pope, and he did.
And he did.
Got us, and he got us to meet Pope John Paul, which was one of the greatest days of our lives. One of Quinn. We couldn't believe that Jack arranged that for us. It was just unbelievable.
Yeah, the photographs have us way out the back somewhere, and all the FAI blazers all around the Pope. Do you remember? We were all
some things never change.
It was crazy. It was absolutely nuts. It was one of those days you'll never ever forget. You'd think we'd won it. We'd gone out in the quarterfinals. How proud we made the nation and that people feel, you know, by doing what we did, and you know, it was just the best time.
There's something special about our time, Pat. I would never swap. Forget about the money. I don't care how much they get.
Absolutely,
We had a better time.